The United States President Donald Trump has ordered Nigerian president to immediately return back to Nigeria from his visit to the UK. He stated this in a post on his Truth handle. As you can recall, President Tinubu traveled to the UK for a state visit. Just yesterday, there were about 3 different bomb blasts in Nigeria, one at the hospital, another one at the market, and another one at the post office. And all of this happened, and the president went off to the United Kingdom for a state visit. So a lot of people cry out, and it doesn't sit well with a lot of citizens, and a lot of people spoke up and came up and said, why should a president travel out when there are serious security crises in the country? So on a tweet on the Truth social handle of President Donald Trump, he made a statement. Let's look at the tweet together, and it reads, "The situation in Nigeria is a total disaster. Massive coordinated suicide bombings tonight in Maiduguri, a hospital, a major market, the post office, all hit. Many innocent people killed. This is what happens when you have no leadership and open borders for terrorists." While his country is in a state of national emergency, President Tinubu is currently in the UK on a state visit. Unbelievable. Shaking hands and having fancy dinner while his people are being blown up. I don't think so. Prime Minister Starmer should tell him to get on a plane and go home immediately. You don't stay abroad during a crisis like this. A real leader is on the ground with the military and the people, not cutting ribbons in London. Nigeria is a great country with powerful people, but they are being led by a government that isn't focused on strength and security. Close the borders, find the terrorists, protect your citizens. Everything else can wait. Truth. So this was a post from the Truth social handle of President Donald Trump. What do you think about this? Do we always need a foreign government to call our government to order? Why should a government that is having a serious security threat be embarking on a state visit, even when on the eve of that journey a serious bomb took place in the country? So what are your take on this? And why has this repeatedly been happening? There have been series of killings, and the government have shown no serious commitment towards these people that are being killed. It's always a praise statement, some exposed here and there, but we've seen little to none being done. So what do you think? Thank you very much. This is Sabastine for Nigeria. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube handle at Sabah for Nigeria, or you can also follow me on X handle at Sabah for Real. Thank you very much.